That's a before and after. It's quite rusty. Now it looks not like new, but good enough. So there's a sketchy setup to compress the spring so I can remove the dampener from the spring. Should work. Probably not the best setup. And try to keep out of line of fire. Oh. Just remove this one. The damper is out. Quite rusty. To remove the rust, I just used a bag filled with never remember evaporust, because the sleeve is stuck as well. It's rusted on the inside. Soak it in here. I have it in a bag to not spill too much. Same with the spring. And the clip. This was what's holding the spring in. I think it's actually stainless, so that's probably just rust from there. Put it in there anyway. Now these things have been soaking for a few days. Not that I needed that long, but I've been busy with other stuff. And the rust is completely gone. Even on the spring. Have to clean off some paint and then repaint them. So the chrome is missing in some parts, or pitted, so I give it a bit of silver paint to cover it up. Looks okay now, but as soon as it gets wet it will rust, so a bit of silver paint. It's not perfect, but from a distance it will be okay. So I spray painted the shock absorber. Just remove the masking tape and get ready for assembly. Instead of using the bit dodgy setup on the hydraulic press, I just used 2 ratchet straps to compress the spring. I think it's safer, at least until you release them again. The adjustment nut goes on. Then just that's not too fast. There, it's assembled. No pinched fingers or anything. Yeah. There we have it. Much better than what we started with. Then of course I turn the springs so the nice side is out. So I need to peel off this masking tape and ready to install.